Welcome back, students. Today's topic for auditing and assurance standard is SA 440, that is risk assessment and internal control, that is auditing and assurance standard 6. In auditing and assurance standard 6, that is AAS 6, auditor has to understand the meaning of audit risk. That is the main important thing, and its type and the system of controlling the audit risk. So the auditor should know what is audit risk and what are the types and what is the system that is of how to control the audit risk. So first we will know what is audit risk. What is the meaning of audit risk? See, your audit risk is a risk when the auditor gives the wrong opinion on the basis of wrong financial statement. Okay, he will give a wrong opinion about on the basis of wrong financial statement. It is very important that the financial statements should be free from material statements. Okay, it should be free from always material statement. If there is any material statement, a wrong statement, then there may be an inappropriate audit opinion. The opinion that is given by the auditor will be inappropriate. Based on this opinion, there may be a big loss to the interested parties, the third parties who use this audited financial statement. That is audit risk. So audit risk should be a risk where when the auditor gives any wrong opinion, what happens? It will lead to a wrong judgment for the third parties. Okay, under this audit risk, we have three main types of risk, that is inherent risk, control risk and detection risk. So we will know each type of risk separately. When it comes to inherent risk, it is a risk where the chance of future loss, okay, it is always for a future loss, okay, because there is no any internal control system or there is fault in internal control system. At that time, what the auditor does, the auditor may give a wrong opinion about what about the financial statements that has been prepared. Okay, inherent risk may happen on the basis of the nature of business or the transaction. If I give you example, if there is a millions of cash transaction in a day, okay, in a day there will happen a millions of transaction. So at that time there may be a chances of fraud or a mistake that can happen. So such type of risk is called as inherent risk. So inherent risk is a risk where it is not known, okay, and okay, what you record, simply the auditor will see and give his false statement. That is inherent risk. Second is control risk. It is a type of risk, okay, it is a one type of audit risk which happens when fraud or errors is not detected by the internal control system. So any auditing is done, before you do a particular audit, internal control has to be done, internal control system has to be done. So here what happens, if you do not have an internal control system, control risk, okay, happens, okay, because the fraud happens, because you directly give the audit books of accounts to the auditor where he cannot justify his statements to the fullest. Whereas when you do an internal control system, internal auditing, some chance of risk can be reduced. That is the chance. Okay, so whether it is a good internal system also, but sometimes what happens, cheaters may take a benefit of small weakness of the internal control system. Okay, they can take a benefit of that, and due to this control risk happens, due to this, because if there is no proper internal control system, control risk occurs in the audit. The third one is detection risk. So detection risk is nothing but it happens when auditor uses a wrong or incorrect method procedure for auditing. When the auditor uses a wrong method of auditing, that becomes a detection risk. In the previous two, that is inherent and control risk, it happens due to fraud, mistake by the company, okay, but this detection risk, it happens because the mistake of the auditor. The detection risk happens due to the mistake of the auditor and what procedure he follows. Based on that, this risk occurs. So how you can control the audit risk? Okay, the risk happens, but it is in your hand, it is in the hands of the auditor how he can control. Risk may be at any level, that is low level, middle level, or a higher level. Auditor is like whom? Okay, here they have said auditor is just like a doctor. When he see temperature is just 100 degree, okay, he will give small medicine. Okay, if he sees that temperature is 104 degree, he will give high medicine, high dose medicine. So the auditor has to see, he has to see what type of risk is available, and accordingly he has to work. Simply he cannot give his judgment for any type of risk that occurs. So that is the most important thing. He has to control the risk that has been occurred in the organization. It can be any type of risk. So how you can control inherent risk? So your auditor will get every evidence. So when you say auditor, he has to get all the evidences that are available for each transactions that the company make. So even when you record sums about the stationery, that record the voucher or any evidence should be there that yes, this furniture or this stationery has been brought. So supporting proof has to be there so that we can control the inherent risk. So then how you can control the control risk? When we see the weakness of internal control, okay, it happens especially when there is an internal control. He will start to check who is doing what duty. So the auditor has to make sure that what the internal things are happening in the organization, who is doing what, whether the internal auditing has been done, who is looking after the books of accounts, how is going to record the transactions. All this has to be known by the auditor so that he can give his record and also safeguard the interest of the management of the organization as well as the third parties. Okay, and also how we can control the detection risk. Okay, when he starts detection risk, obviously it is from the auditor side. Mistakes happen from the auditor side. So when the auditor is going for the audit work, he should be pre-planned. He should prepare his plan in such a way that there should not be any detection. So he can, by then only he can control his mistakes, he can detect his mistakes. Okay, he can reduce his mistakes that can happen and which leads to the risk. This is all about AAA 6, that is Auditing and Assurance Standard 6. Okay, that is Risk Assessment and Internal Control System.